So you guys can see this is a 100% do follow high quality backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the total two website where we can create do follow high quality backlink. So the first website name is addons.videolan.org website. So basically this is a org website. So I can show you the website authority, and I have also the secondary website I can show you after this backlink creations. So the website authority is according to HREF 89 domain rating, and we can going to track, and I can also show you the how much this website having spam score. The spam score is 3% and the domain authority is 90 according to Moz. And this is our website URL, and as you guys can see there I have added a website URL, and you can see 159.2k total visitors. This website having according to similar web, and mostly traffic from USA, Germany, Italy, France and the Spanish. So this website having that kind of country traffic. If you guys can want to drive like that traffics, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. And basically this website providing do follow backlink, and the crawler is coming from the that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so the website name is addons.videolan.org, and we can going to, there is an option to guys have to click to register button. Okay, there you guys have to add your username, your email ID, for the password section you can choose your password, and I'm a human, you guys have to select you are a human, then you can click to register button. Then this website can send you the verification email over your Gmail ID. Yeah, so we have got it, verification email. So you have to verify the email verification, so you guys can see, you guys can find that kind of interface. Okay, so there is a button you guys have to click top of the right corner, and you can go your my products projects, my favorite profile. There is a button you guys have to click to your profile button, and you guys can optimize your name. Clean recruiter city is Surrey, and you guys have to add a little bit about your business. Okay, and then you can click to save and update, and after that you can going to update your profile picture. Then you can click to save and update, and you guys have to want to update a background image, you guys can also do. Then you can click to save and update, and after that you can found your social accounts. So there you guys have to update your Twitter profile and the Facebook profile. So we have only a Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, so we can going to add our Facebook URL. Then you can click to save and update, and you guys have to add your website URL. Okay, so we have updated all the things. And once you guys can click your profile button, and you guys can see there is a button, a click here to go your, yeah, if you guys able to see this interface, there is a message, click here to go to your opencode.net page. So you guys have to click there now, and you guys can see there is a two backlink are created. Okay, so you guys have to click here to go to your about me dot page. So you guys can see this is our landing page URL. It's 100% instant creating backlink, and there is our backlink, and I can show you this is a do follow or no follow backlink. So you guys can see this is a 100% do follow high quality backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. If you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And for the second video, starting of the video, I have talked about the I can going to share with you the two do follow websites, but the secondary website are a little bit confusion. I'm confused about this website because it's not working right now. So that's why I can share with you after time. Okay. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you guys can want to connect with me personally, so I can drop my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, or if I am doing something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you can understand. So okay guys, so bye bye, take care, and help me something whatever you want. Okay guys, so bye bye.